Hello students, welcome to my Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class we are going to continue the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. And remember, this is 9th period of this chapter. In 8th period, we were solving the problems in exercise number 3.5. 3 were completed and 4th one, it was completely related to statements, right? We converted some of the statements into equations, then we solved those equations by any of the 3 algebraic methods. In yesterday's class I had given you the third problem, right? Third statement, and even I had asked you to solve that yourself. Hope that you all might have done it. Anyhow, once I go for explaining it, just listen to me. And this third statement, it was related to a student, Yash. Once I go for reading this, listen carefully. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. This is one situation. Another situation, if 4 marks had been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks had been deducted for each incorrect answer, then your score would have been 40 marks. Then total, how many questions were there? So here we are going to find out the total number of questions. That includes the number of correct answers and the number of incorrect answers, right? Yes, it is very simple statement. I'll go for writing. Just observe it carefully. It is, first I'll write data. Here I'll assume let the number of correct answer or correct answered questions, correct answers, it is equal to x. You may call that as x. Similarly, the number of incorrect answers, that's equal to y. Total, how many questions were there in the test? Total x plus y, is it not? Number of correct answer, number of incorrect answered questions, x plus y. Here they have given two situations. What are those? In first situation, he has scored how much marks? 40 marks. But there is a condition. 3 marks should be awarded for each correct answer and 1 mark is to be deducted for each incorrect answer. Here I'll write. See, when 3 marks awarded for each correct answer and 1 mark deducted for each wrong answer, nothing but incorrect answer. So this is the first situation. And we know that total he has scored how much? 40 marks. Total marks scored by Yash, it is 40. It includes both correct answered questions and incorrect answered questions. But we know that 3 marks has been awarded for each correct answer. If we had attended x number of correct answers, then what is the marks obtained by him from only correct answered questions? It is 3x. Clear? For each correct answer 3 marks, x number of questions 3x marks. Next, for each wrong answer 1 mark will be deducted and y number of questions, so 1 y will be deducted, is it not? Altogether it is 40. You may call it as equation 1. Next, another situation is there. What is that? Suppose 4 marks had been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, you would have scored 50 marks. Here I'll write. When 4 marks awarded for each incorrect answer and 2 marks deducted for each incorrect answer, right? Incorrect answers. Total how much he has scored? You would have scored 50 marks. If this is the case, total marks that's equal to 50. See that x number of correct answer questions are there for each. 4 marks, total 4x marks. Then y number of questions, incorrect answers are there for each. 2 marks is to be deducted, total marks will be 2y. Altogether it will be 50. Then you can notice that in this equation all are the multiples of 2. Hence you can divide both sides by 2. It will be 2x minus y equal to 25. You may call it as equation 2. Clear? Yes. Now we have to solve it. But condition is given. What is that? If the solutions are existed, you have to check whether the solutions are existed. Hence we shall go for verification. How do you go for that? You have to write them in standard form first. First equation is 3x minus y equal to 40. 3x minus y 40. Take that to the left hand side. Minus 40. This is equal to 0. Next, 2x minus y equal to 25. Can be written as 2x minus y minus 25 equal to 0. Understood? Next, let us go for writing the coefficients. Here, a1 is how much? 3. b1 minus 1. c1 minus 40. Then a2, it is 2. b2, it is minus 1. c2 minus 25. Clear? Then, let us go for finding all the 3 ratios. First one, a1 by a2, this is equal to 3 by 2. b1 by b2, this is minus 1 by minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled, you will get 1. Then c1 by c2, it is equal to minus 40 by minus 25. Minus minus get cancelled, then 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. Hope that you have understood. Next, in the next step, you are going to compare all the 3 ratios. On comparing the ratios, you will get a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Is it not? Because a1 by a2 is 3 by 2, b1 by b2 is 1. 3 by 2 is not equal to 1. Hence, these 2 ratios are not equal. If this condition holds good, could you tell what type of solutions are existed? You are right, unique solution. Is it not? Hence, we can write, therefore, the solution is existed. And it has been asked that if the solution is existed, we can go for solving the equations by any of the 3 methods. What are those 3 methods? Elimination, substitution and cross multiplication. Let's move on to calculation and we shall follow elimination method. By elimination method, yes, let's go for writing both the equations. Here 3x minus y is equal to 40. This is equation 1. Next, 2x minus y equal to 25. This is second equation. See that you no need to go for equalizing the coefficient of either x or y, because already coefficient of y is same. Hence just we shall go for changing the sign. Here plus is there, minus. Minus is there, plus. Here plus is there, minus. Minus y plus y get cancelled. Now 3x minus 2x, it is 1x. 40 minus 25, this is 15. X equal to 50. Next, we got x value. To find out the y value, we have to substitute x equal to 15 in any one of the 2 equations. You can go for any one. In 1, what is equation 1? 3x minus y equal to 40, where x is 15 minus y equal to 40. What is 15 threes are? This is 45 minus y is equal to 40. Then 45, keep that as it is. Take 40 to the left hand side, becomes minus 40. Transfer minus y to the right hand side, becomes plus y. 45 minus 40, it is 5. Y equal to 5. Clear? But what we are going to find out? We are going to find out total number of questions. Total number of questions, that means both incorrect answers and correct answers all together. Hence, I'll find out x plus y, where x is 15 and y is 5, all together it is 20. Conclusion. Therefore, the total number of questions is 20. And check that whether you got the same answer if you have solved. If not solved, just copy from there to here quickly. Dear students, please go through fourth statement. This is very important in the examination point of view. Go through this. It is places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. Second case, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour only. Then what are the speeds of 2 cars? Dear students, you are very familiar with the physical quantity speed. First, you just go for recalling the formula. What is the formula used to find out speed? It is v equal to d by t. Speed equal to distance by time. Just remember this one. Okay. Now, let us go for converting the given statement into mathematical equations. Places A and B are 100 km apart. So, I'll take the distance from A to B. Distance from A to B, this is 100 km. Right? Next, on a highway, next, one car starts from A and another one from B. But what are their speeds? Both the speeds are unknown. Hence, I'll go for taking, let the speed of first car means it leaves from A. From A, it is equal to x kilometer per hour. Similarly, the speed of second car, that from B, it is equal to y kilometer per hour. And do remember, they leave at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speeds, okay, if they here I'll draw this. Here I'll write the first situation when the cars travel in the same direction. Observe this one. Here I draw the line just for your reference. This is the place A, this is place B. From car A, first car will start from A, second car will start from B. Let us assume that speed of car A is more than that of B. Obviously, when they travel in the same direction, they meet at a point. Call it as C. Clear? But do you know what is the distance? What is the time taken by the first car to reach C? Point C is the point at which or place at which both the cars will meet. Here they are given If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. Clear? Then here speed is known, x and y, and time is known, 5. Then you can go for find out distance. What is the distance formula? From this, d is equal to v into t. So here, write distance traveled or covered, distance traveled by first car in 5 hours. First car, you may call this as AC. It is equal to, d is equal to v into t. What is the speed of first car? X. Time taken? It is 5 hours. Here only I will write in 5 hours. It is 5x kilometer. Hope that you have understood. Similarly, distance covered by second car. Distance covered by second car in again 5 hours. It is nothing but BC. This is equal to how much? It is V into T. V is Y. T is 5 hours. So it is 5y kilometer. Did you understand? Then what is the distance between two places? It is 100 kilometer. Can we write 100 kilometer is nothing but AC minus BC? Yes. Here I will write AC minus BC equal to 100, where AC is 5x and BC is 5y. It is equal to 100. Divide both sides by 5, because all are the multiples of 5. It is x minus y equal to 20. You may call it as equation 1. Very simple. See that speed of car from A, it is x kilometer per hour, and this is y, and time is 5, and this is also 5, 5x, 5y. But to get this 5x minus 5y, it is equal, that is 5x is the distance covered by the first car and 5y is the distance covered by the second car. So 5x minus 5y is nothing but 100 kilometer. Now let's move on to another situation. If they travel towards each other, right, when the cars travel towards each other, here I'll write, see that A to B, for your reference only, A to B. How much it is? 100 kilometer. Then A is moving towards B, B is also moving towards A. They meet in 1 hour. Got it? In 1 hour, could you tell the distance covered by first car? Its speed is x kilometer per hour, time taken 1 hour, it is just 1x kilometer. Understood? Similarly, distance covered by second car, it is, both will meet at 1 hour. So it is 1y kilometer. Did you understand? Next, if you want, you may call this point as M. Then this will be AM, this will be BM. Then can we say that AM plus BM is nothing but 100 kilometer? Yes. AM plus BM equal to 100 kilometer. AM is X, BM is Y. It's equal to 100. You may call it as second equation. So we have converted the given situation into equations. Is it not simple? Certainly. Then we have to check whether roots are nothing but solutions are existed or not. Hence I go for verification. In verification, first you go for writing the equations in standard form. First equation is, it is x minus y minus 20 equal to 0. Second one, x plus y minus 100 equal to 0. Then write all the coefficients. a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to minus 1, c1 equal to minus 20. a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to 1 and c2 equal to minus 100. Then find out all the three ratios. a1 by a2, it is 1 by 1 is 1. b1 by b2, it is minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. Then c1 by c2, it is minus 20 by minus 100. Minus minus get cancelled. It is 1 by 5. Compare all the three ratios. What do you say? Here it is 1 and this is minus 1. They are not equal. Is it not? On comparing, so a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If this condition is satisfied, can we say that solution is existed? Yes. Therefore, the solution is existed. If the solution is existed, we can go for solving it by which method? Elimination, substitution or cross multiplication. I go for that, and before that, please copy this completely. Once you go through the statement and observe data what we have written, it is just a reference figure only. Then even you can go for writing it directly from the statement 5x minus 5y equal to 100. Here from the statement x plus y equal to 100. Then verify that. Yes, copy this. Now let's go for solving. Calculation. Which method? Simple one, by elimination method. Let us write both the equations as it is, because coefficient of x in both it is same and y just it is 1. Hence we can go for writing them directly. Equation 1 is, it is x minus y equal to 20. X minus y equal to 20. Equation 2 is x plus y equal to 100. See, you can cancel it. X plus x, 2x. 20 plus 100, 120. X equal to 60. Did you understand? So, you can substitute x equal to 60 in any one of the two equations and go for taking equation 2. That is x plus y equal to 100. Then, where x is 60 plus y equal to 100. Y equal to 100. Transfer 60 to the right hand side. Minus 60. Y equal to 40. Did you understand? Now, could you tell what does x indicate? It is the speed of first car. Y? It is the speed of second car. Hence, we can write the conclusion as, therefore, the speed of first car, it starts from A, right? Is 60 kilometer per hour, and that of second car is 40 kilometer per hour. You can observe that here we have taken car A travels faster than B. You can observe that 60 is more than 40. Hope that you have understood. Please go for copying this part. Yeah. Please go through the fifth one. It is also very nice statement and important in the examination point of view. So you can put double star mark for this. The statement is, the area of a rectangle get reduced by 9 square units with a condition. What is that? If its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. Another situation. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Then find the dimensions of the rectangle. Is it not simple? Definitely. Just I go for explaining. Then afterwards I go for writing it. Look here. Here, which they have given the statement on which geometrical figure? You are right. It is rectangle. Then what are the dimensions of the rectangle? One is length and another one is breadth. Here you are going to find out the dimensions. Hence length and breadth both are unknown. Assume length, let it be x unit, and breadth, let it be y unit. Clear? Then what is its area? Area of this rectangle, length is x, breadth is y. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Hence it is x into y. Clear? Just I am giving you the hint. Afterwards we can go for writing it. Here there are two situations. In the first situation, area of a rectangle get reduced by 9 square units if length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. Look here. Here again I am going to take that length. Length is reduced by 5 units. Length lesser than this one. Okay. And breadth increases by 3 units. So y plus 3. Clear? Then what will be area? This will be x minus 5 into y plus 3. Hope that you have understood. One more. The next situation. Again it is related to rectangle. If we increase the length by 3 units, that is x plus 3, and breadth by 2 units, breadth will also be increased, y plus 2, then what will be the area? It is x plus 3 into y plus 2. Then after that, you can go for using the whole statement to form the equations. Did you understand this much? Okay. Now I will go for writing. Observe this carefully. Data. Let the length of rectangle be x units, or just equal x units. Similarly, the breadth of rectangle, call it as y units. Then what will be its area? Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, x into y. What is the standard unit of area? It is square units. Clear? Now let us go for this statement. If length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3 units. Here I will write, when length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by how much? 3 units. I'm sorry. Then what will be the area? This area will be x minus 5 into y plus 3. It is equal to, you can multiply. Will you go for that? X into y, xy plus 3x minus 5y plus 3. This area. And see that the area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Actual area is xy and it is reduced by 9 square units means xy minus 9. Under what condition? If length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. This is. So I will write from the statement. From the statement, or else you can also make this as like this. Area gets reduced by 9 units. That is xy minus 9. Then to find out area, this is x minus 5 into y plus 3. It is equal to xy minus 9. Now here xy plus 3x minus 5y plus minus 5 into 3 minus 15 equal to xy minus 9. Now see that xy get cancelled. Next 3x minus 5y, 3x minus 5y, that's equal to minus 9 plus 15. How much? It is 6. Once you check that, 3x minus 5y as it is, minus 15 equal to minus 9. Minus 9, transfer minus 15 to the right hand side, plus 15. Minus 9 plus 15 is 6. You may call this as equation 1. Now let's move on to another situation. What is that another situation? If you increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units. Here I will write. When length is increased by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, then the area, this area, what happens? Increases by 67 square units. Actual area is initial area xy, and this area will be 67 square units more than this. Clear? And let us go for finding the area under this condition. It is x plus 3 into y plus 2. This is equal to xy plus 67. Next, multiply x into y, xy, x into 2, 2x, 3 into y, 3y, then 3 into 2, 6. It is equal to xy plus 67. xy get cancelled. Then 2x plus 3y is equal to 67. Transfer 6 to the right hand side. Becomes minus 6. 67 minus 6, it is 61. You may call it as second equation. Hope that you have understood. Now, after getting the equations, next we have to verify whether the solution is existed or not. Here we will go for that. Verification is, first write them in the standard form. First equation, 3x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. Second equation, 2x plus 3y minus 61 equal to 0. Then write the coefficients. A1 is 3, B1 is minus 5, C1 is minus 6. Then A2 is 2, B2 is 3 and C2 is minus 61. Clear? Now let us find out all the three ratios. A1 by A2. What is A1 by A2? 3 by 2. Next, B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is minus 5 by 3. C1 by C2. It is minus 6 by 60, minus 61. That is equal to 6 by 61. Just go for comparing. On comparing, what do you say? Are first two ratios equal? Not at all. We can write A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, the solution is existed. If the solution is existed, you can find out by any of the three methods. Hope that you have understood. Please go for copying from there to here. Yes. Now, let's go for solving the equations. Which method? Any one of. Let's go for elimination method. By elimination method, observe. You check that whether coefficients of x and y are x in both the equations equal and y in both the equations equal. See, here is 3, here is 2. But here is minus 5 and here is 3. Hence, let us, to equalize the coefficient of x, I will go for multiplying equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Clear? Multiply. Equation 2. Equation 1 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 into x, 6x. 2 5s are 10 into y, 10y. 2 6s are 12. Second equation. Multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6x. 3 3s are 9. 9y equal to 61 3s are. It is 183. Is it not? Yes. Let us go for changing the sign. Minus, minus, here minus. It cancelled. Minus 10y minus 9y minus 19y. It's equal to 180, 12 minus 183. It is 171. That is, see that minus, greater number as minus sign, minus. Then here 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 1 as it is. Minus minus get cancelled. Y equal to 171 by 90. Clear? Then 19 ones are 99. Y equal to 9. We want x. So substitute y equal to 9 in any one of the two equations. Which one? I'll go for taking first. First equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. Then 3x minus 5 into y is 9 equal to 6. Then 3x, 5 9s are 45. It's equal to 6. 3x equal to 6 plus 45, because minus 45 it is transferred to right hand side, it becomes plus 45. Then I'll continue that here. It is 3x, this is equal to, what is 6 plus 45? It is 51. X equal to 51 by 3. 3 ones are 2 will remain 21. 3 7s are. X equal to 17. What does X indicate? Length. Y indicate breadth. Therefore, the length of rectangle is 17 units and breadth is 9 units. Clear up? Yes. Please go for copying from here to here. Dear students, exercise number 3.5 has been completed. Now we are moving to the new concept. The new concept is also very important in the examination point of view. Many times they have asked questions on that. Now I am going to introduce that. Here I have written two equations. Observe them. Just give work to your mind how to solve them. Can you solve them? Yes. How do you go for? Whether you go for using elimination, substitution, cross multiplication, you find it very discomfort to solve these equations. Is it not? Are you thinking why? Yes, because these equations are not in standard form. So if they are in standard form, it is very easy to solve them by any of the three algebraic methods. Hence, let us go for reducing these equations into standard form of pair of linear equations in two variables. So the concept that we are going to learn is equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. Here I'll write the idea. See, equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Yes, here also I have taken one such example. These are the equations having two variables but not in standard form. We should write them in standard form. So I'll go for taking this as the first one. Please don't go for writing anything. Listen carefully and observe the board. Here I'll write solve the equations. One is 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, and another equation is, this is 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Observe these equations. Here, could you tell what is the common thing in both the equations? When you come to x term, of course you can tell that, sir, in both the equation x is there and y is there. But just by taking as it is, we find it difficult to solve. Hence, we can go for writing 2 by x as, can we write it as 2 into 1 by x? Certainly. Then 3y as 3 by y as 3 into 1 by y. Next, Here 5 by x as 5 into 1 by x. Then 4 by y as 4 into 1 by y. Yes. Now you tell what is common? Yes, in both the equations we have 1 by x. We have 1 by y. Hence let us go for taking the substitution. Got it? So let us take 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. Then it will be easier. So let us view the method like this. UV method. Just for our reference only. You may go for taking m and n. Then you can call it as mn method. PQ method. Clear? Yes. I'll go for rewriting the given equations. As we are going to take the substitution like this. In place of 1 by x, we should write u. Then how do you write this? See, it is 2 by x. 2 into 1 by x. Then this will be 2u. Did you understand? Plus. This is 3 into 1 by y. 3v is equal to 13 as it is. You may call it as equation 1. Similarly, 5 by x as 5 into 1 by x. 1 by x is nothing but u. Minus 4 into 1 by y. 4v. It is equal to minus 2. You may call this as equation 2. Now you can go for solving u and v. By which method? Go for elimination method only. Will be easier. Then to eliminate, you have to equalize either u or v. Then here, I'll multiply equation 1 by 5 and 2 by 2. 5. 5 2s are 10 u plus 5 3s are 15 v. 13 5s are 65. Next, 2 5s are 10 u minus 4 2s are 8 v. It's equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4. See that coefficient of u is same. Let us go for cancelling them by changing the sign. This is minus and is plus, and this will be plus. 10u minus 10u get cancelled. 15v plus 8v. This is 23v. It's equal to 65 plus 4. It is 69. Hope that you have understood. Then what will be v? Here I'll write v is equal to 69 by 23. Cancel it. 1s are. It is 3s are. V equal to 3. Then we want u. To get u, you should substitute v equal to 3 in any one of these two equations. I go for taking the first equation. What is first equation? This is 2u plus 3v equal to 13. Then 2u plus 3 into what is v? V is 3. This is equal to 13. Then 2u plus 3 3s are 9 equal to 13. Then 2u is equal to 13 minus 9. 2u equal to 4. Then what about u? U is 2. Did you understand? We got u and v values, but what we want? We want x and y values. Then how do you go for finding them? Here we have assumed that 1 by x equal to u. First I will take that. 1 by x equal to u. 1 by x equal to what is u? U is 2. Clear? Then go for finding x. X equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Next. And 1 by y equal to v. 1 by y equal to what is v? V is 3. Then y equal to cross multiply 1 by 3. X is 1 by 2 and y is 1 by 3. Therefore, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 is the required solution. Yes, please go for copy. Once I tell that, listen carefully. These are the given equations. We find it very discomfort to solve. You can go for taking LCM and you can go for solving it. But you feel more discomfort. Hence, we will go for reducing them into linear equations in two variables. Here, therefore, we have assumed 1 by x as u, 1 by y as u, v. Then 2 by x can be written as 2u, 3 by y can be written as 3v equal to 13 as it is. Next, 5 by x as 5u minus 4 by y as 4v equal to minus 2. Call it as second equation. Then solve it by elimination method. By elimination method, you can get u and v values, but we want x and y. Hence, we have to take our assumption 1 by x equal to u is nothing but 2, cross multiplication, x is 1 by 2. 1 by y is v value is 3, cross multiply, y equal to 1 by 3. So this is the required solution. Yes, copy. Dear students, observe this one. The second one is like this. Solve the equations 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. Then how do you go for solving? Yes, you are right. By reducing them to standard form. Hence, you can go for assuming which are. Will you take 1 by x, 1 by y? Yes. Observe here. Here 1 by 2x is there. How do you write? It is 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Is it not? Then here 1 by 3y is there. 1 by 3y can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by y. Similarly here 1 by 3x, it is 1 by 3 into 1 by x. Then 1 by 2y, it is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by y. Then what is the common in both the equations? 1 by x and 1 by y. Hence we can assume 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. Clear? Then how do you write this? See, 1 by 2 into 1 by x, 1 by 2 u. Got it? Then this is 1 by 3 into v is equal to 2. Then do remember here the denominator terms 2 and 3 are there. Hence go for taking the LCM of all the denominators, both LHS and RHS. 2, 3, here 1. What is their LCM? LCM is 6. So multiply 6 with all the terms. Multiply both sides by LCM 6. So here when you multiply 6 here, 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 3u plus 6, 3 ones are 3 2s are 2v. It is equal to 6 ones are 6 are 6 2s are 12. You may call it as equation 1. Hope that you have understood. Next, how do you rewrite this equation, second equation? It is 1 by 3 into 1 by x, that is u, plus it is 1 by 2 into 1 by y, it is v. This is equal to 13 by 6. Again, take the LCM of all the denominator, 3, 2 and 6. How much? LCM is 6. So again, multiply both sides by the LCM 6. Here multiply 3 ones are 3 2s are 2u. Then 6 2 ones are 2 3s are 3v equal to, here 6 ones are 6 ones are, it is 13. Call it as equation 2. Now let us go for solving them. How do you go for solving? By elimination method. See that here, observe the coefficients of both u and v. Here is 2, here is 3. Here is 3, here is 2. Hence, let's go for equalizing coefficient of u. Equation 1 should be multiplied by 2. Equation 2 should be multiplied by 3. Multiply. 2 3s are 6 u plus 2 2s are 4 v. This is equal to 12 2s are, it is 24. Next, here 3 2s are 6 u plus 3 3s are 9 V is equal to 13 3s are, it is 39. Hope that you have understood. Change the sign. Minus. Minus. Here minus. These two get cancelled. 4V minus 9V minus 5V. It is equal to 24 minus 39. What is 39 minus 24? 15. Greater number sign? Minus. Minus minus get cancelled. So 15 by 5. V is equal to 5 3s are 15. 3. We have got the value of V. Then let's go for finding U. So substitute V equal to 3 in which of these two equations? 1 or 2? Let's go for taking 1. Equation 1 is 3U plus 2V. 3U plus 2V. This is equal to 12. What is V? It is 3. So 3U plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Then 3U it is equal to 12. 2 3s are 6. Transfer becomes minus 6. 3U is equal to 12 minus 6. 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are. U is equal to 2. We got both the values, but we want X and Y values. Hence, I'll go further. So to find out X and Y value, we have to take our assumption. What is that? 1 by X equal to U. What is U? It is 2. So here I'll write 1 by X equal to 2. X equal to cross multiply. It is 1 by 2. And 1 by Y is equal to V. 1 by Y equal to V. Then what is V? V is 3. So 1 by Y is equal to 3. Cross multiply. Y is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is the required solution. Hope that you have understood. Yes. You are going to copy now. First, you will take the assumption. The common thing that we can observe in both the equations is 1 by X and 1 by Y. Hence we have taken 1 by X as U and 1 by Y as V. Then we have reduced them to equations, standard form of linear equations in two variables, and we have solved them by elimination method. We got V value as well as U value. Then taking our assumption, we have substituted U and V. Then finally we have got X equal to 1 by 2 and Y equal to 1 by 3. Got it? Let's copy from there to here. This is another important type of problem, and this type was also asked in the examination. So I am going to put double star mark for this. Please go through the statement. What was given in the examination? The same thing has been written. Even it is also there in your NCERT text. Observe. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Here it is. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. Then how do you go for reducing them into pair of linear equations in two variables? Here they only have given the common thing. What is that? It is x minus 1, x minus 1, y minus 2, y minus 2. Hence, we can take 1 by x minus 1 as u and 1 by y minus 2 as v. Right? Then how do you go for rewriting the equations? It is 5u plus v equal to 2. This is 6u minus 3v. It is equal to 1. You may call this as first equation and this as second equation. Then how do you solve? Yes, very simple. Least coefficient is 3. Hence I will go for multiplying 3 here. Then equation 1 can be written as 3 5s are 15u plus 3 into v. 3v, 3 2s are 6. Next, 6u minus 3v equal to 1. Is it necessary to change the sign? No, because here we have plus 3v minus 3v. They get cancelled. Then 15u plus 6u. It is 21u It's equal to 6 plus 1, 7. Then how do you write the value of u? It is u is equal to 7 by 21. Then u is equal to 1 by 3 because 7 ones are 7 3s are. Did you understand? Next, we want v. So substitute u equal to 1 by 3 in any one of the two equations. I go for taking the first equation. It is 5u plus v is equal to 2. Then 5 into what is u is 1 by 3 plus v equal to 2. Then v is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3 because 5 into 1 by 3 is 5 by 3 and transferring that to the right hand side becomes minus 5 by 3. Take LCM and simplify. 3 is the LCM. 3 2s are 6 minus 5 as it is. This will be 1 by 3. So v is equal to 1 by 3. U is 1 by 3. Even v is also 1 by 3. But we are going to find out x and y values. So let us go for taking our assumptions. What are these? It is 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u. 1 by x minus 1 equal to what is u? U is 1 by 3. Then go for cross multiplication. 3 equal to x minus 1 is nothing but x minus 1 is equal to 3. Both are same only. Then x equal to 3, transfer minus 1 to the right hand side becomes plus 1, x equal to 4. Understood? Next, even we want y value. Hence the second assumption is 1 by y minus 2. This is equal to v. 1 by y minus 2 is equal to what is v? It is 1 by 3. Go for cross multiplication. Here we can write 3 is equal to y minus 2. It is nothing but y minus 2 equal to 3. Y equal to 3. Transfer minus 2 to the right hand side becomes plus 2. Y equal to 5. X is 4. Y is 5. Therefore, 4 comma 5 is the required solution. Clear up? Yes. Now you are going to copy from there to here. Once you observe that in previous problem, in the denominator just only one term was there. But here two terms. Denominator, two terms. And this is the method of solving. Dear students, hope that you have copied this one. And before concluding today's class, I'll tell you one thing. What are the problems we have solved today? Please work out them today itself. Don't keep anything pending. Particularly, you should practice. That is highway problem, rectangle problem, then UV method. In place of U and V, even you can go for taking any other variable except X and Y. Practice as good as possible. Okay, with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.